In the details, we have the sharpening and noise reduction. In the sharpening, we will add sharpening to our photo. So if you increase the amount, you're basically adding sharpening to our image. And then we can play with the radius of the sharpening and the details. And then we have the masking. Masking will mask the area that sharpening will be applied. If you press on the Alt or Option on the Mac, you will see the areas that will be affected while playing with the mask. Let's do this now. Press on the Alt and play with the mask. So you want the sharpening to be added only to the borders. I'll keep it somewhere like this. Now that we add sharpening to our photo and we only add it to the edges, we are going to the noise reduction. With the noise reduction, when you increase the luminance, it will remove the noise. Let's make this closer so you can see the noise. I'm going to move it somewhere around here. Okay. Now we've removed most of the noise in this photo. If I decrease it, we are going to add the noise. And we have more details now. You have the luminance details and luminous contrast. We can combine all of these three until we get something that we are satisfied with. I'll keep the details and contrast in the middle and the luminance to somewhere around here. And then we have the color. This is the color of the noise. In this photo, you are not going to see it very much. It's not very obvious. But if you increase this, it will increase the colors of the noise. And then you have the details of the color. We can reduce the details and we can increase it. And we have the color smoothness. Here will be very sharp colors. And if we increase it, it will be smoother colors. So I'm going to move these in the middle for this picture. And this is all about this lesson. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new. In the next lesson, we are going to cover this interesting part, which is HSL adjustments. And we are going to make some really nice adjustment to our photo. See you there.